How to integrate a payment gateway into a website. No matter what type of platform you own, e commerce, e learning, or a booking one, your main concern will be to ensure that your customers are safe and you provide them with an easy to use payment system. The provider you choose has to satisfy the needs of your business as well as the requirements of your customers. Over 21% of customers tend to abandon websites that have a long checkout process and 70% because the website was not secure. Integrating a payment gateway into your store will give you your website security and improve all the overall user experience. So, what is a payment gateway? It's a solution that connects your bank account with the merchandising platform to which you wish to transfer money. It creates a secure tunnel between online retailers and buyers. So, such a solution is a fundamental feature that is offered by every e commerce solution. It allows us to make purchases anywhere in the world while ensuring maximum data security. Payment gateways are virtual terminals equivalent to a physical point of sale terminals. So, how does a payment gateway work? It's an important broker between customers and merchants. It's dealing with payment processing and authorizing. Payment gateways deliver encryption methods to sensitive data like credit card numbers. The data is encoded, giving you a guarantee that it is sent securely between the online store and the customer. So, here's the basic flow of the transaction. A customer finishes an order by clicking a submit button or its equivalent. The customer is redirected to a payment gateway, allowing him to choose a payment method through credit card or to be redirected to a bank website. The transaction is transferred to issuing a bank or another page like 3D Secure to authenticate the transaction. If the authentication is successful, the bank checks if the customer has enough funds on his or her account to make a response to the payment gateway that the transaction is a success or not. When the response from the bank is ready, it goes to the merchant. If the answer is negative, the merchant will display a notification about an error to the user. If it's positive, the merchant seeks a transaction from the bank. In the end, the bank settles the payment with the payment gateway, which settles the money with the merchant. So, how does a payment gateway keep information secure? It's crucial in the e commerce world. Customers want to keep their credit card information and payment information safe. Data security in online payments or e commerce can be ensured by using technologies like TLS encryption, payment gateways, use SSL certificate, PCI DSS compliance, tokenization, two factor authentication. So, benefits of using payment gateways. It has a lot of benefits. That is why they are so popular in the e commerce world. Let's present some of them. First of all, security. Payment gateways secure transaction by providing and encrypting sensitive data. Sales boost. They help you expand your business by reaching to customers from all over the world. Time saving. Transactions are much quicker than standard manual processing via bank. Every day at any time, payment gateways work 24/7. Security, once more. Thanks to payment gateways, you can avoid suspicious transactions by blocking transactions from certain countries or IP addresses. Marketing, they have a positive impact on marketing since you can create affiliate program with rewards with referral commission from other sites. Now, how to integrate a payment gateway? First, you need to create a PayPal button. Then, you need to set up the basic payment. Then, extend the basic payments with additional parameters. Execute the payment. Now, for Amazon Pay integration, create an Amazon Pay button, add address book and wallet widgets to your website, obtain buyer's authorization for recurring payments, set up billing arrange agreement details and confirm the agreement, validate the billing agreement, request authorization, and then your payment gateway is ready. There are many ready made solutions for payment gateways on the market. Choosing the right provider is a key decision for growing your business. Implementing a payment gateway into your website will deliver enhanced user experience and maximum security for your customers. Many of payment gateways are equipped with security measures like TLS encryption, two-factor authentication, and RPCL DSS compliant. So, integrating a payment gateway is not complicated and will definitely have a positive impact on your store. If you're looking to create a website integrated with a payment gateway or need to add a gateway to your existing product, you can contact their team or developers. So, that's all. Thank you so much.